Oh. Oh, dear.
Is something wrong, Pidge?
It's morning.
Yeah. So it is.
I should have been home hours ago.
Why? Because you still believe in that ever faithful old tray routine? Oh, come on, Pidge. Open up your eyes.
Open my eyes?
To what a life can really be. Show you what I mean. Look down there. Tell me what you see.
Well, I see nice homes with yards and fences.
Exactly. Life on a leash. Look again, Pidge. Look, there's a great big hunk of world down there with no fence around it. But two can find adventure and excitement. And beyond those distant hills, who knows what wonderful experiences. And it's all ours for the taking, Pidge. It's all ours.
It sounds wonderful.
But
who'd watch over the baby?
You win. Come on. I'll take you home. Do-do-do-do, it's a beautiful night, and they call it Not to change the subject, but, ever chased?
I should say not.
Oh, then you've never lived.
But we shouldn't.
I know. That's what makes it fun. Oh, come on, kid. Start building some memories.
But we won't hurt the...
Hurt them? No. We'll just stir them up a bit. Just look at those fat, lazy biddies. Well, they should have been up hours ago. Some fun, eh, kid?
Hey, what's going on in there?
What's that?
That's the signal to get going. Come on.
This is living, eh, kid?
Is it?
Come on, Pidge. Follow me.
Away from me!
You know, there's a little bit of bird in all of us, eh, Pidge? 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 Where are you, Pidge? Pidge?